good morning. We are here again with Blake. Hello, introduce yourself, Blake. I'm very shy. And anyway, we're making a banana pancake because we have a ripe banana at the moment. So Blakey is here to help me for the banana pancake for our breakfast. Shall we start, Blake? So what do we have here? Bowl. We have, what's this? Banana. Milk. Chocolate. Dark chocolate. Some flour.
And an egg.
1 egg and olive oil. So before we start, we need to wash our hands. Shall we, Blakey? Let's make now banana pancake. Alright. Okay, Blake, you peel the banana. Mingaw kayong payag. Because they're still sleeping, right?
But my dad's awake.
Yeah, but he's in the caravan. He's isolating. Okay.
I'm the only one that survived. Why? I might be the one that's getting it next.
But you need a strong muscle.
You're not even squishy.
Crack the egg.
How do I open? How do I?
Hey, use a fork. Just crack it.
Ew. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Use a paper towel.
But my hands start to get sticky.
It's okay. We will wash our hands again after this one mixing. So
Okay.
put flour. You want to put the flour? But not all, right? Just maybe half of it. Okay, that will do for now. And then
Of course.
the chocolate, dark chocolate. And next, milk.
Hi.
So this pancake, we didn't use sugar since the banana is already sweet. Sweet enough, right, Blake? With chocolate on it.
That's too sweet.
Yeah, that's too sweet.
You don't have a sugar rush.
Next year.
And Easter's coming up. Easter's coming up.
So what we're gonna do at this day?
Easter egg hunting.
Yeah, Easter day.
Egg hunting. No.
I'll hold it first. Here. Hello? Oh, nagbuhat may pancake. Excuse me, baby. I'll just put a teaspoon. Huh?
Wow.
It's more than a teaspoon. Anyway. Unsa man? Ay, na. Unsa ba? Wait.
Oh no.
Why are you running? Come here.
Nothing here. Oh gosh. Mom, I think that's enough.
Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, let's cook now.
Let's start cooking, guys.
Where you see
Let's just
and how is where the secrets that can define the state.
So here is the
Covenant here before only if
mixture.
mixture.
one and only source.
It looks normally like
Okay, we're gonna start
normally
cooking.
looks like.
Still wait for a little.
And don't forget to like, follow, and share.
And especially subscribe Bam's Family NZ.
Yeah. We would like you to follow us. We would love you to follow our kind of baking.
Baking.
Please. Please. Yeah. Yeah. I'm so excited. Guys, my mom's just gonna give salt to my mom, so I'm just gonna be looking here, and as you can see, the chocolate has melted, and this is really melted.
Good now?
It looks like it's good
Mm-hmm.
to put on the plate.
We'll see.
Hmm.
Unsa man imong giyaw lang? Did you talk to them?
Yeah.
How did you make this pancake? What are the ingredients?
No.
Try to cover. We'll see. Is it alright?
It's alright. It's really delicious. I only like the skin. This is steaming hot, okay, guys? This is steaming hot.
You use a spoon, a teaspoon.
A teaspoon.
Careful. What's it taste like? Okay.
Our masterpiece is delicious.
Delicious!
Mwah. 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 Mwah.
How about this one? Here we go again.
No, 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 no. Daddy.
Unsay mong gi-breakfast, Daddy?
Daddy, what are you having for breakfast?
In Bisaya, unsay mong gi-breakfast? Unsa? Imuhang gi-breakfast. Make it louder, Daddy. Unsa?
Unsa?
Imuhang hang gi-breakfast. One, two, three.
We did it!
Oh, I think this is the fourth and last pancake, bebe. That's it. No more na.
No more now. Where's the team up? This is our fourth one. Wait.
Someone stealing. I can see you. Wow! Toing, toing, toing. So guys, this is the final outcome of our pancake. May hawa na akong assistant. Here you go. Let's eat na. Bebe. Okay guys, mauna to siya guys. We're done cooking pancake and then we're just gonna eat for a while. Okay, that's it for now guys. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and then I'll see you in the next video.